Welcome back to our channel Travel and Jobs. In today's video, I will tell you about another country that you can move there for free of charge, relocation benefits, visa sponsorship and much more. Please subscribe to our channel before we begin. A high number of job openings are available in Denmark. The official Work in Denmark website shows a total of 2088 Denmark sponsorship jobs. There are other reputed European websites where you can find visa sponsorship jobs in Denmark. We are here to list all types of jobs in Denmark with sponsorships. They need cooks, farmers, IT, software, engineers, waiters, and much more. The demand for cooks in Denmark is high. They will take care of visa and work permit for the right candidate. The list of the Denmark Visa Sponsorship Jobs 2023 is available below. Details about Denmark Visa Sponsorship Jobs 2023. Country, Denmark. Open to foreign. Level, anyone can apply. Work permit, yes. Visa sponsorship, yes. 1-8 jobs in Denmark with visa sponsorship. Most of the jobs in Denmark are based on IT and it has full sponsorship and all type of support. Information and communication technology. IT consultant. IT quality employee. IT project leader. Programmer and system developer. Web developer. Webmaster. UX designer. To apply for IT jobs in Denmark. It will open all IT jobs in Denmark that offer sponsorships. 2-EURES Job Portal. EURES is an official European government job portal that offers thousands of job opportunities in Denmark as well as other European countries. If you want to look for a job in Denmark with visa sponsorship, then EURES is the best option. A huge and wide range of fields is available for international students. All applicants from all around the world can apply, in any field, any level, full-time, part-time, all options are available. Benefits. International working environment. Visa sponsorship and relocation package. Private health insurance. Competitive salary. How to find visa sponsorship job at EURES portal. First open this website, https://ec.europa.eu/ers/portal/. The select location, Denmark. Select language. You can select any language. Then in the search bar write, visa sponsorship. It will list all Denmark jobs with visa sponsorship and then apply from there. You can search for more jobs in Denmark at Job Index. Jobs in Copenhagen. The local. Work in Denmark. 3-Work in Denmark. The official website, Work in Denmark, published a list of open vacancies in all fields. To apply, please visit the official website that is given below. Sectors with high demand. The Danish job market is facing skills shortages. Therefore, there are many sectors with good job opportunities for both skilled and highly qualified candidates. Especially within the following sectors. Engineering. Information and communications technology. Life science. Business and finance. Medical and healthcare services. Service and hospitality. Industry. Transport and logistics. Construction. Documents required. Your CV. Cover letter. Offer letter. The company will contact selected applicants to be interviewed. See what to mention in your CV, here. This is a Danish-style CV. Application process for Denmark Work Visa. You must apply for a Danish work visa online via SIRI, Danish Agency for International Recruitment and Integration. You may apply yourself or grant power of attorney to your employer to submit the application on your behalf. Here is the step-by-step work visa application process. Choose a Denmark work visa scheme. Create a case order ID. Pay the Denmark work visa fee. Compile the Denmark work visa document checklist. Submit the application. Take your biometrics. Wait for a response. This is all we prepared for you in today's video and we hope this video for helpful to you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel for more video on ways to travel abroad. We will see you in our next video.